The bilateral brush is done, but the radial code still needs to be done. Let's look at the Mermaid function section, and inside our symmetric bilateral brush function, our brush mirroring code, that takes this point and uses these flags to mirror bilaterally. We've made a few changes. So these are the final changes, and now this function we're in, this clusterfuck of a function that we're in, it is officially done. And did I get rid of my highlight? Oh, there we go. Single axis mirror dense. So inside of this scope is where all these changes have occurred. We've added a third plot point variable, the uint32, that we want to put down for projection point 1 and projection point 2, because we need to transform the plot point, but we also need to transform the internals of the tiles we're setting down. I was getting this error, so I put this log message in here. We're going to divide the jump by 2 and floor it, because we get a more pleasing result with this. So we're in square, mirror, top, bottom. And then the plot point for one of these plot points, this is the projected plot point on the same side as the original point. So it just needs to be mirrored on the Y, so it faces its original plot point. This one, it needs to be mirrored on both axes because it's effectively kitty corner from the original plot point. And let's scroll down here. See, let's try not to run out of room. I put this log message here to be, what do you call it, congruent, or to match the other code, right? Because I was getting the error for box span GTX, so I put this here for box span GTY, just to be kind of symmetric. Okay, dividing by 2 with the jump and flooring it, because once again, this gets a more pleasing design. And this is the kitty corner mirror, so we are going to flip the internals on both axes. This one is just opposing, or this is the projection of the original point, so we're just going to flip the X, and then here's where we're adding the internals to our paired arrays of plot points. And then here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of here.